What's up, guys? How's it going? This is your boy Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. Today here with
Naz Demansky, also from cleverprogrammer.com.
Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We are so pumped to be here live tonight with you. We're so excited. Thanks for being here with us. If you're on right now, if you're not, it's all good.
Sleep tight. That's okay. You know.
Yeah, it's like 11 p.m. right now in California on a Sunday night.
Yeah.
So guys, something awesome is happening. We just want to keep you abreast of it. So today we want to do a couple of things. Number one, we have Profit with JavaScript, which is our program at Clever Programmer. The price is increasing in an hour. So if you've been considering it and you've seen our challenge, or you've watched some of our other YouTube videos, or you've watched our clones, you like our stuff, we would urge you, go check it out.
Yeah, because the price increases very soon, and this is by far the best program
That's
for
out there.
developers. It's by far the best program, the best JavaScript program for developers. But today, we're just going to be chatting. We're just going to be having fun.
Yeah.
We're going to be going over some topics, like some technical topics. You know, if you guys have any questions, of course, if you guys want us to go over a few topics, let us know down in the comments below, of course, at the same time. But, you know, again, this is also your chance to potentially save $100 on Profit with JavaScript, the best JavaScript and React.js course out there.
Now, guys, if you have questions, drop them in the comments below, because we want to make sure we're engaging with you. We're answering questions. So we got Vijay, Vishruth, Hershit. What is up? We got Deuce King. He goes, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here. Let's get it.
Oh, shit. That's awesome.
Yo, this is sick. Awesome, guys. Welcome. Awesome. Thanks for being here, guys. We love your energy. We love your support. And we really appreciate you. We have about 145 people live right now.
Shit, 140 people. Holy moly.
Yeah.
And it is basically like nighttime here.
Where's my graph?
It's you need to refresh it probably. Refresh it.
I love my graphs.
Graphs are the best, I know.
Here we go. Okay, hopefully now that should fix it.
Hey, there we go. Now we got the graph.
That is looking clean.
He loves his
boy.
graphs. I love my graphs too.
Shit looking clean.
Oh, actually, put the comments. What does it say? Put the comments here if you can.
How much time do I need? Love you. Nice.
Love you too.
How much time do I need to master React.js? That's a good question.
That is a good question, yeah.
You want to jump on it?
Yeah, sure. So, how much time? It's not so much about time. Don't think about that. Think so much about how much work, you know, it takes to become, you know, to learn React.js, right? So, the first thing you want to do is, number one, is learn JavaScript. So that's going to be part one. And a time for that might take you about a month to fully learn JavaScript. But, you know, once you've learned that and once you build some projects around that and you feel confident in the JavaScript, then I highly recommend that you jump into React.js. And once you're doing that, then you're probably looking at, you know, getting your pace started, you know, probably about a month to start to feel comfortable. But of course, you know, 1 month is not going to make you a proficient, like professional, right? That's going to take some time. So as you build more projects over, you know, the next 2-3 months, 2-3-4 months, then you're going to be even better and better. And then you're going to feel very confident in something like this. But, you know, between JavaScript and React.js, it's going to take you about 2 months, I would say.
Yeah, it definitely takes some time. Just make sure that every day that you're coding, you know, max it out. Go like 5 hours if you can each day, or 10 hours if you can each day.
Oh, shit.
That's how I like to do it. Just go all in. But of course, if you're doing many other things in your life, then just pace yourself.
Yeah.
Because you're going to know your limit.
Yeah.
All right. Unkit asks, hey, what is the difference between React.js and Node.js?
What do you think?
So the difference between the two is React is a front end. Okay, it's a library. It's a JavaScript library. So React is where you're writing your code, building your components, and making your apps look nice.
Correct.
Okay. Node is your app's backend.
Correct.
Still written in JavaScript, but that's your backend. So that's where you're, you know, talking to your database. Okay, that's where you're making your app's functionality actually happen. Whereas React is just primarily your front end.
Correct. Yeah, I agree with that. Right. Again, very simple. React front end, Node.js backend. I think that's the simplest way to think about it. That's it.
Dope. Keep your guys' questions coming. These questions are awesome. We love your guys' questions. Make them interesting, make them valuable for other people as well. And if you want to get technical, we got you.
We love technicalities.
All right. Surgeon says, how is your mother, Kazi? Let me put that up. Hope she gets well soon. Lots of love. Thank you. I appreciate it. She's getting better. She's in, as some of you guys know, my mom went through a heart surgery, and she's currently on day 31, day 32 of her recovery. She's making really good progress.
She's killing it. I know she's killing it.
Yeah, she's killing it. So we're happy. We're really, really pumped, really excited. So yeah, thank you for asking. I appreciate that.
Let's see. Yeah, guys, any questions you have around technical questions, may that be just in general software development questions, career advice, heck, interview advice, we're here to kind of help you guys out.
Hey, Logan is here. Let's go.
Logan Federally?
What's up? Yo, everybody that's dropping that nasty shit in the comments is just getting smashed.
I love it.
Love that.
I love the nasty comments.
Smash them like bugs, Logan. Smash them like bugs. There's just no place here for anything other than love and positivity.
Exactly.
If you are being nasty, this is not the place. Go to some other YouTube channel.
No.
Okay? Because otherwise, Logan is here.
We're not here to do that, guys. And guys, honestly, if you are being negative, then you're only hurting yourself more than anybody else. Just so you know. Yeah. Because you're in that state of mind of negativity, and that's going to just affect your life in general.
Yes.
Just keep it in mind.
Amir says, love you guys. Lots of wishes for your mom. Thank you. Anand says, awesome energy, Naz and Kazi.
Hey, let's go, Anand.
Yo, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Set the energy and the stage for everybody else.
And Anand actually got a job recently. So the reason, again, you can see a person like Anand, he's so positive. And it translates into so many areas of life to a point where he actually has his first job working at Deloitte, which is one of the top companies. And he dropped
that in our Slack, right? If you didn't.
And he's in India, I think, right? And he's making 3 times the amount of money as normal developers make there in India.
Dude, that's
I think he's making 10K.
Anand, I actually saw that. Congratulations on that. I made a quick video, and we're gonna post it too at some point. But yeah, I made an Instagram story. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, we were super excited. Sheila showed us that in the office.
Yeah.
She showed us that. I saw it. I'm like, yo, this is fucking sick. Let's go.
We were pumped. We were so happy. I have no idea.
Yeah. Awesome. Let's see what's going on here. Somebody said, oh, joined. Akil just said, Akil Raj says, joined PWJ just now.
Let me see.
Finally happy to join your team. Is that true?
Akil, let's see.
It was oh, yeah.
Oh, he did.
Akil Raj.
Oh, shit. Look at
that.
that.
He joined PWJ.
Let's go.
That is awesome.
Welcome.
For those of you guys, I don't know if I showed this. The link is in the description below, by the way. And it is the best program for JavaScript. It is the best program for React out there in the world. And go check it out. This is the page, okay? Yeah. You can learn about it. I think you're going to get a tremendous amount of value because one thing I can tell you is no program out there is giving you access to an incredible community, weekly trainings that are amazing, and of course the modules and the JavaScript training is just phenomenal in the side of this program.
Exactly. And I think the big key differentiator for this one is, guys, you get weekly trainings with the best coaches for a lifetime.
Yo, we just got Furqan Majid. He just enrolled in the program.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go. That's awesome.
Hey, by the way, if you are here, so Akil, Raj, you're here, and Furqan, you're here. What's the best way to message them? I think we should have their phone number. Right?
Their phone number is right here.
Okay. What I can do is have
he's actually in the USA.
Kazi here. So I just shot you a text message because we have your phone number. Because you
can we connect it to here or no?
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Oh yeah, we can. I remember that. You can. Perfect.
Yeah. We can also invite them.
Oh, yeah,
really
we can try that.
Really easy actually without Skype.
I know. The Ecami has that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so dope.
How do we do that though? It's a question. We should try that. We should actually try that. That'd be fun.
Dope. Awesome. Rupesh, he says, I'm already going through a Profit with JavaScript course, but I'm not able to understand any help. Rupesh, what I highly recommend is use the community, okay? We have an incredible Slack community So go post your questions there. They'll be there to help you always. Okay, so let's see if we can have this up and running. Boom, right here. Okay, so this is the community, and post your questions here. So everybody will always engage here, and they will always be dropping answers to your questions, anything that you need.
For example, Saddam, right, and so forth. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So whenever somebody's dropping a comment, we're always making sure replying. So this is the community you want to be at. Everybody's going to be able to help you out there. Okay.
Now, guys, again, and also most importantly, I want you to think about giving it time. So like, don't think that you're going to get the answer right away, right? Just in general. Hey, tech coders always.
Tech coders, thank you for your donation, but something really awesome.
What's up?
Logan just dropped $5. Thank you, Logan. And he actually said this. This is even cooler than the $5. He says, I've moved out since we last chatted.
No way.
Okay. Got my own house, believe it or not. Also worked with 10 different clients and now want to give back. Thank you.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Oh, Logan, bro, that made my day. Dude, that makes me so happy. Logan, man, thank you so much for letting me know that. I appreciate you so much, brother. And I'm so happy that you are now getting results. And I'm actually happy because I used to tell him, hey, man, move out, actually. Because he wanted to move out, be on his own, outside of his parents' house, do his shit. So I'm just pumped that now he finally did that.
Yeah, I think it's always really good. And he was trying so hard. Like I remember back, in PWJ, and he was coming to the coaching calls. He was learning with us almost every single coaching call pretty much there. And honestly, it's and he finally got it. Like, it took him time, of course. It took him a few months. I think it took him 6 months or 7 months to get there. But he did it, guys. So most important, like I said, focus. Don't just focus on I want to get the results right now. You know what? Focus on being patient at the same time. Be patient. You'll get there. Trust me. Okay. And if you can't get the answer, give it some more time. Try a different perspective. Try something different just in general.
That's right.
Yeah. Ooh,
and
what is this?
This is just for fun.
Ooh, let's go.
Guys, if you want to master JavaScript, if you want to master React, okay?
Let's go.
Here's the few things you just got to know, okay?
Yeah.
If you master this, you're good, all right? You're good. There's many other things you did to do, but I want you to watch this very closely, what's about to happen now, okay?
What's about to happen?
Let's go 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh!
Okay. When it comes to becoming a master, it's about mastery and not learning a million different things. Bruce Lee always said, I fear a man not who knows 1,000 different kicks, but who's practiced one kick 1,000 times.
Mm-hmm.
So pick a few technologies, pick a few things and master them. Mm-hmm. If you're starting out, just start mastering JavaScript and just stay there for a while and then move on to the next thing.
Right, correct.
So that's just one of the key things, just one of the fun things I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, drop that in the comments.
Don't try to do everything all at once. I think that's the big key here, guys, okay? Start with one. I think a lot of people, what they will do is they will go straight to React. They will go straight to just building projects. And then they realize that they don't know the basics. They don't have the foundation. So focus on building the foundation. Focus on, for example, learning JavaScript initially. And then you can move on to React.js and pretty much anything you want at that point. But get the foundation right, guys. Get, foundation just in coding in general. Get your problem-solving mind straight. And then focus on everything else, right?
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Filani says, hi, Kazi. Thank you so much for your free real-world tutorials. I have learned a lot. My portfolio is good. I was approached by Amazon AWS for an offer of DevOps engineer. I hope it goes well.
Whoa.
We're pumped for you, bro. This is awesome.
Congratulations.
Really now, just make sure you don't drop the ball at this point.
Yeah.
So keep on hammering at those data structures and algorithm skills because they're probably going to drill you on those.
Yeah.
Okay, so just keep going deep on those. And then go to the interview and go crush it. Okay, we believe in you.
So what are some things? I'm actually curious. What are some things that we can recommend besides just data structures? So what are some things we can maybe go deeper on in terms of what a person should do for the interview?
in terms of like technical or behavioral?
I would say behavioral and technical. Let's do technical for now.
Okay, I mean, I think that I was just going to go more down the route of data structures and algorithms, but it seems like you have something already on your mind. So talk to
Well,
me.
no, I was thinking more so like for example, the tools to actually use, for example, yes, data structures, this is what you need to learn for those interviews.
Right.
But most importantly, what you need to do is you need to start practicing as many different algorithms and problem solving algorithms as much as possible.
So HackerRank and LeetCode
Yes.
should be your best friends
Yes.
right now. And Firecode is what
Yeah.
this guy used to use, Daniel.
Yeah. Firecode.
Firecode.io, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he was using.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're trying to get a job on these places, these are your resources. So there's Firecode, which
you
is a
go.
really good resource,
Mhm.
and then there is LeetCode.
LeetCode actually is one of the best ones I know. The closest one.
I just really like their front end.
Yeah. They're the closest one with the way to actually a Google interview. And you know what's funny? Funny?
Yeah. Did you practice on this, by the way?
I did.
Damn.
Yeah. I talked to a Google interviewer, right?
Yeah.
For our bootcamp, and they literally said use LeetCode.
Really?
Yeah, they're like a lot of our people who become actual like coders working with Google. They say that the closest problems were on LeetCode. Wow. Yeah.
That's actually
So
really good.
use LeetCode, guys. I heard it from a Google interviewer herself, literally.
That's really good to know, actually.
Yeah. Because you can actually select what company you're looking for. So if you scroll up,
Linked list, baby. Yeah.
up, I think if you go to like Explorer,
I think no, it's just flat. They
No,
just
no,
made
no.
this shit flat,
no,
bro.
No, go to product. No,
No, it's just flat. They
think-
changed it.
You need to log in probably. That's what you need.
Oh, really? Sign in?
Sign in,
Create an
yeah.
account.
First, go create an account.
Video is not sponsored by LeetCode.
No. Oh, problems, and then you go to problems right there. See, and then you can select. If you scroll down, companies right there. Boom. Google.
Okay, Google.
That was
Got
what
it.
I'm saying.
Okay.
But you get my point though, guys.
I get your point.
Yeah.
I see. So so what is this 934 problems?
934 problems.
Oh my god.
You need to go through all of them, and I'm not kidding.
Is that true, Daniel? How many of the Firecode would you recommend somebody goes through? There's 900 or LeetCode. There's 934 problems. Yeah.
Yeah. As many as possible.
Damn, bro. Daniel, did you also do the ones that are like acceptance rate was like 12% or something really low like that? Like really hard ones? But even on Firecode, did you do the medium level ones or like the really, really difficult ones?
So he's saying
Medium to
medium
difficult.
difficult level, yeah.
Damn. So
Yeah.
not the easy ones?
I mean, you can start out with easy ones. You can start out with easy ones, and then you can move out. We can move up.
I
move up a
like
little
how
bit.
there's some easy ones that have a lower acceptance rate than like
Oh yeah, that's true.
some of the hard ones. Jacked easy ones. So yeah, that's pretty good. So for you, we would say, hey, go here, practice your technical skills,
Mhm.
and that will really prepare you for your job interview that you
Correct.
have
Yes.
coming up soon.
Agreed.
Yo, what's up, Pranav? He says, what's up, Kazi? Long time no see in a stream. Loving the content. Awesome, man. Thank you for sharing the love. And we're back, baby.
Hey.
Back. I took over Daniel's job today. All right.
Tech coders another donation.
Oh, shit. I learned SAS today and taught it 4 hours later. Learn while you earn. Oh, let's go, baby.
And taught. Whoa, no way.
So he
Where?
taught it on...
Why is
he's
that?
in Canada, so there's
Okay.
no Wyzant. There's some other equivalents where you can actually learn these skills and teach them.
That's awesome.
So epic job, Logan. Guys, by the way, 25 minutes left until Profit with JavaScript price increases permanently.
Mhm.
So if you have seen our channel, you believe in what we do, I would highly recommend jump inside of the program because in 25 minutes, price increases and won't come back down again. So take advantage. And we want to see you inside. We
Yep.
want to help you. We want to work with you. We want to coach you and we want to improve your skills and help you land that job.
Yeah. I'm just curious here. Everybody here who's on this call right now, drop in the comments if you guys want to become developers, if you guys want to learn React.js. Who here, just say me, I want to learn React. Let us know in the comments below, and I'm very curious who actually does.
Abhishek is asking, keep going by the way
Go
if
ahead.
you need to.
No, keep going, good.
Abhishek says, course duration, looking forward to buy. For most people who can spend 10 to 20 hours a week, and I recommend you spend at least 10 to 20 hours a week. If you can't do that, I wouldn't recommend joining it then, because we want you to spend quality time so you can improve the skill. Now, at 10 to 20 hours per week, generally it takes students 15 weeks to get through the entire program. Okay, so I would say a lot 15 weeks for this program.
Yeah, granted, it is self-paced, okay?
Yes.
This is not like where you have to be 15 weeks and that's it. Like, you got to do 15 weeks or else you're screwed. No, that is not the case. So, self-paced, take your own time. Of course, we recommend that you put as much time as possible. So, 10, 20 hours. If you can put in more, that would be amazing. If you can't, that's fine too, right? Again, it is self-paced. We do have coaching calls where you come in on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, between where I do a coaching call, Jesse does a coaching call, and then we have success coaches that do a coaching call as well, especially, which is great for beginners, right? And so those coaching calls, I highly recommend that you attend those, because those, the benefit of actually having a coach there to answer your questions is something that no other course has. Udemy course, Udacity course, they don't have that. You watch videos, but
That's right.
But when you have a question, right, and you want feedback and you want support, well,
you want to have that definitely
Exactly.
there available. Sunmay just mentioned, this is really awesome. And he goes, you guys are awesome, especially Kazi. I got an internship at Dropbox
whoa,
because of your Profit program. I don't know if it's Profit with JavaScript or Profit with Python. Probably Profit with JavaScript, I'm assuming. Now, YouTube isn't letting me super chat. That's why I'm typing it here. Yo, it's all good. I appreciate the sentiment. Even if you could not super chat, that is totally okay. I'm just pumped that you got an internship at Dropbox. That's enough for me. That's incredible result. Reach out to me somehow, like either through Instagram or email. And I definitely would love to bring you on at some point on the platform.
yeah, he looks young.
That's so dope.
He looks young.
Yeah, he looked really young.
Yeah, holy shit! If you got Dropbox internship at that age, mazel tough.
Yep, this is awesome. Code with Tommy. This is Code with Tommy. How much is PWJ now? Great question.
Yeah.
I think if you click the link in the description below, that it'll take you to the page of Profit with JavaScript, and you can find out the price of the program and all of the details about the program on that page.
We could just probably show it to them too. I think it's not an issue, right?
Yeah, it's just click the link in the description below.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's gonna be right here. So just go to this page, and this will tell you all the details of the program.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so boom, let's go here.
We should play the video, bro. We should play
yeah.
the epic video, just so you know.
All right, we will. Dash says, do you have a coding bootcamp? So
Oh, good question.
yeah, coincidentally enough, something super dope that just happened at Clever Programmer is January or February. January, we just launched a exclusive coding bootcamp called Full Stack Mastery, because we had been working on educating students for such a long time, since 2016, 2017, and we'd helped thousands of students land jobs and figure it out. And we thought, if our online coding course could do it, then I imagine what would happen if we were to team up a Clever Programmer and bring some of the best JavaScript instructors in the world and launch our own coding boot camp. Not cramp. That's what my girlfriend gets sometimes. Cramps. Okay. So we launched a coding boot camp, which is absolutely incredible. And and so that's been crushing it. We have tons of students enrolled. Currently, I think the enrollment for it is closed for this cohort, right? This cohort we're packed. And I think for the upcoming cohort of April, we're going to be opening up more spots.
So we filled up our current cohort pretty much in about 2 weeks. And we already have 20 to 25 students at this point. And and starting this out, we decided again that this has been one of the best journeys we've taken personally, and I'm very excited for this as well because the journey that we're taking our students is beyond anything else. Imagine kind of like Profit JavaScript, but like, basically 10x level.
Yeah. Rich Programmer, what's up, my
Hey,
boy?
Frank.
What's up, man? How you doing, Frank? How you doing, Frank? All right, so he goes, PWJ is awesome. Hope helps you meet awesome people and land great jobs. This community rocks. So super pumped to have you here, Frank. Frank is also part of the Profit with JavaScript community, which is super exciting. And Frank now is in the process of launching his own business, actually, which is super cool.
Really?
Which is nothing,
YouTube?
which is not actually much to do with coding.
Really?
But basically, remember, like, I don't know if you knew, he started like launching these videos where it's like a 24/7 live stream of like an ocean on YouTube.
No.
So he started getting into those types of videos. You know those videos I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
24-hour live streams.
I know.
So he figured out how to be able to do that for himself, and he has a video right now of like an ocean that's like live streaming. Then people started going to those videos and emailing him.
Really?
And said, hey, we want to have a setup like this. How do you do that? Can we pay you or whatever? And he just gave them a rate, which is way lower than the industry standard.
Wow.
And people just started signing up with him.
You're
like
kidding.
Right? Yeah.
Damn.
So yeah, super cool. Yeah.
And so what he does is he builds these like ocean, like what, videos for them or what?
It's not necessarily video. You'll give him the video.
You'll
give him the art. You'll give him the video. He'll help you with setup with a 24/7 live stream.
Oh.
Because you need like computing power.
Yeah, that's true.
You need like you need server. You need like bunch of stuff to get it set up. So he basically, I assume, got access to computing power and knows all the tech setup behind it to do it.
That's
You
amazing.
just pay him. Doesn't cost him that much, and it doesn't take him that much time.
Wow, that is a cool niche to be in.
Yeah, it's like very, very specific. Yeah.
Wow, that's a cool. Well, congratulations, Frank. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, congrats, bro.
Yeah. Frank actually came to our house, a month ago and we got a chance to talk with him, and he explained everything that he did and, what's he been working on. It was awesome. It was
Let's go. Yo, Matthew says, Kazi joined in PWJ program. Let's rock. Let's fucking go. I know he joined. You won't see it right now because he joined a little bit ago, but I did see he booked the onboarding call.
Oh, yeah, he did.
So we're going to talk to you on the onboarding call. I don't know who you have the onboarding call with. Let me check, actually, Matthews. Daniel, you got him.
Okay, cool.
You have
cool,
an onboarding. So you're going to have an onboarding call with Daniel. It's going to be phenomenal. Come prepared.
Daniel, come here. Let's see who's Daniel. This is Daniel.
So Daniel is right behind us right here.
Hey, there's the guy right there.
What's up, Matthews? I got you on, what do you do?
Tuesday, I think.
Tuesday, man. Super excited.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So Daniel is, like one of the best developers in the world. He had job offers from the biggest companies, and he's turned down YouTube, Google, and Microsoft to work with Jeff Bezos' company called Blue Origin.
Yeah.
So if you're going to get on a call with him, Matthews, I highly recommend come prepared with some questions. Bring your notebook and pen and something to write with. You're going to get tremendous amount of value, but just come prepared for that call.
Yeah. I'm not kidding when I say that this call might be a life changer for you. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yo, Logan, thank you, man. I appreciate you so much. Like, this is awesome. It's one of the best live streams we've had in a while.
What do you mean?
He's just like, he's helping out so much with the chat. So
Really?
then we can actually get to the good questions.
Oh, he's actually just cleaning everything up.
Yeah.
I like it. Nice job. Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, by the way, we have 15 minutes before the price of PWJ increases, guys, by $100, guys. So if you are interested in becoming a developer, if you are someone who is interested in learning React.js and JavaScript and want to profit with JavaScript, okay? Again, this is the course for you. This is something that has transformed so many lives between Jen to Frank to Rishi. Rishi actually got recently a job as a React.js developer making $55K, right? Kelvin, he just recently got
His
also
first 6 months.
Exactly. Kelvin got a job basically making 52K.
Where is he working?
He's I forgot what company. Oh shoot, I forgot what company he was working. But it's a React.js. He is a React.js developer, right? And he's loving it. So if you want the same results, go ahead, take the leap.
Yeah, those guys are getting amazing results. I mean, we have a lot of students just getting so much value out of the program. So yeah, take the leap. Especially if you've been following us and know us and trust us, jump in. We have a 30-day money back guarantee. So we really we want it to be a no-brainer for you. So there's no risk, and you can just like jump in and try it out and enjoy it and crush it.
Yeah.
The Clever Fox Academy asked and donated $2. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. And he goes, "What is this song, man? Can I fucking change the song? I hate this fucking song. I don't know how the fuck it comes on." Hold on. Okay, I got it. Fuck. Here we go. So we got Goons. That's much better. Hold on.
Let me see. Hold on. Okay, that's better.
All right. So let's go back. Okay. So how much is the boot camp? So currently the boot camp is about 10K. And the price of it is going to be increasing based on how many cohorts we're getting. But currently, it's much better price than most other coding boot camps.
Yes, exactly.
All right. So let's keep on rocking and rolling. Keeling says, I started learning Python after watching your YouTube videos. What do you think about learning Python, Django, and React? So I think it's a phenomenal combination. Tons of companies are using that combination. Django and React, you can use them together because you can use Python and Django, whip up an API. Django has an incredible REST framework, and then just do the front end with React.
Yeah, I think that is the best combination. Front end. A lot of companies. I mean, we can even look it up. Probably like how many people are looking for, Django developers. I'm curious actually.
Yeah,
we can look it up on Indeed.com and we can see it. And if you know, that's actually what I am. I myself, I know Django as a backend, and I know React.js for frontend. I also know AngularJS for the frontend as well. And together with React.js frontend and Django backend, I've been able to get some great jobs, honestly. Even my last company where I worked with, it was fully Django backend. Granted, Angular was their frontend, but still, the Django was what was the core of the whole backend structure.
Nice. Achin says, just joined PWJ. Brilliant.
Beautiful.
That is awesome, man. Welcome to the program.
Achin. Let me see. I don't see Achin.
Yeah, I don't see
Achin.
Nice. Thank you. The Clever Fox Academy says, another $2 donation. So thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. This is freaking awesome. And he goes, Naz and Kazi, I'm in PWJ. I tell you guys, join it now. Let's go.
Actually, I know the Clever Fox Academy. I've seen the what's it called? The name on Slack sometimes. Yeah, I'm like, who is this?
Yeah. Logan goes, I've been playing around with SQLite 3 and making APIs in JavaScript and Python. Super powerful. Goal is to make a self-creating API as a microservice.
Damn.
That's actually dope.
He's getting very technical, man.
He's getting very technical.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Guys, get as technical as possible, right? Get into the weeds, get into the dirt. You know what I mean?
Self-creating API actually sounds like a lot of fun because I love APIs, but I don't like the work I have to do to build an API myself.
Okay.
So I generally like when things or apps just give me an API.
Why do you not like APIs? I'm curious.
No. I love APIs.
Okay.
I don't like creating my own API.
Okay.
I don't like the grunt work of writing the code for an API.
Really?
Yeah, I just don't like it.
I'm curious why.
I don't really have a crazy particular reason. I just don't like to sit there because it's a lot of like repetitive work.
Yeah.
Like you're constantly doing create, read, update, delete.
That's true.
I'd rather just have something that can whip up the API for me.
Like Firebase.
I'm like a big no code movement.
Like Firebase, yeah.
We just had Naveen join the program.
Let's go.
That is absolutely incredible. That is awesome. So thank you so much, Naveen, for enrolling in Profit with JavaScript. That does mean a lot.
Beautiful.
Let's actually see.
Yeah.
Can I actually see where? Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, I think that what's it called? I actually personally like Django. Not Django, but I personally like creating APIs. What does this say?
Like Veer says, I'm not sure why I'm here. Just love listening to you guys. Good vibes, good vibes. Let's go. The Clever Fox Academy says, "Oh man, oh it's man."
Wait, what?
Nas messaged you before, but
Oh, yeah, you
another
have, you
$2
have, you have.
donation. Tech
Thank-
Coders, thank you so much for another donation.
Wow.
She says, "Why are you ignoring me, SC?" What's
We're
SC?
not ignoring you.
What's SC?
Super chat.
Oh, why are you ignoring my super chat? Got it.
Yeah, super chat. Super chat.
Super freak.
Super fake. And super fake.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's funny. That's funny. But yeah, I actually like a lot. My career started out with building out APIs. My career started out with building scrapers and using Scrapey and using Beautiful Soup.
Nice. I love Beautiful Soup.
That was my first project, bro.
Really?
Was using Beautiful Soup, and I had to build like this. I had to scrape Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, I had to scrape Amazon to get products.
Yeah.
And at the time I didn't know what Python was.
Yeah. Did Amazon back it? When did you have to do this? 2016?
Oh, this is a long time ago.
2013?
Yeah.
Was it for school?
No, this is for a potential internship.
Back then, was Amazon doing that thing where they keep changing their HTML
Yeah,
code?
they did.
So every time you refresh, their HTML code changes.
Yeah, they did.
So how did you go about? Because Jacob solved that. Like he had to go through that problem too. So
Yeah. I mean, he used Selenium. He used Selenium to do that.
Yeah.
I had to kind of account for different things. I had to use XPaths of not through classes. I had to use XPath of like div to another span and so forth. So because they changed their class names and they changed their div names, right? And so
but they don't change the structure,
the structure was pretty much still there. Yeah, the same.
because that would be really hard, right? To randomly regenerate the structure.
I mean, yeah,
every single
that would be
time.
hard and it would be very, very unnecessary.
Can you imagine how hard it is for them to do analytics on their own sites because their code is changing? And what happens if their code is broken? You know, how do they debug randomly generated code?
That's funny. And imagine you have like 5 different
Jesus.
teams. One team working on one type of code, another team working on different type of code.
And then you have a whole team that's just like designed to randomly fuck up your code. You know what I mean? Like it's probably like a whole team dedicated to like randomizing everybody's code.
I know, right?
What'd
That's
you
funny.
do to my fucking code, man?
And then it's like the developer who built the feature, and then he goes back to the piece of code, and then he's like, "The fuck is this? Did I fucking make this?"
That's not what I did. What is this? What am I looking at? Ah, me eyes.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Oh, me code.
Oh man, but yeah, Beautiful Soup was great.
But I feel like once developer are done writing their code, to just sit there and they're like, "My precious."
They are. They're like, "I love you so much.
Precious.
I love you, code."
Who here is a fan of Lord of the Rings?
Honestly, I've never seen it.
But I thought recently Victoria was having you watch it, no?
No, Harry Potter.
This is
not
your
Lord of the
second
Rings.
time seeing Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Give up seeing Harry Potter for the second time and instead
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings, dude. Lord of the Rings is pretty fucking epic.
Is
But
that good?
granted, I did go through Harry Potter recently
Yeah.
again, and I gotta say, it's a banger.
It's fucking good, man.
It's a banger.
It's so good.
I'm having more fun watching Harry Potter than Lord of the Rings right now.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
It's just more entertaining, more intellectually stimulating, and just it's like Lord of the Rings is like eating a little bit of broccoli with like some nice food. Harry Potter is just like eating the most delicious fucking candy, and
There's just so much mystery, you know? It's like
the mystery. It's so intellectually stimulating. I
yeah.
love that about it.
you're always
Yeah.
thinking about, okay, oh wait, and then the coolest part is that you don't remember some of the parts.
Yeah.
You're like, oh shit, I don't remember this.
Yeah.
But then there are some things you do remember that you notice some new, like really new aspects, right?
That's right.
And you're like, oh, this is why they put, or this is why, you know, Voldemort is like this, you know, and so forth. This is why, you know, he drank or he killed, for example, the, what's it called?
Puts a scar on his
Yeah.
fucking
You
head.
know? Then you finally understand.
Um,
Really big fan of a talent,
Tech
guess.
Coder says, "Oh yeah, really
Yeah.
big fan of your talent. You rock. By the way, Kazi, your mom is a real hero. Hope she's okay."
Bless you.
My bad. So Thank you, I appreciate it. But she didn't have a heart transplant. No, it's a heart bypass. So
Yeah.
not a transplant. That's I think a lot more dangerous.
A heart transplant.
Yeah.
I mean, I think both are pretty risky, right? Hey, says who's here? Let me see. I'm at PWJ and I have a Zoom with you, Kazi, tomorrow. Nibu says.
Oh
You
yeah,
see that over
Nathan.
there?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome. Sweet.
Guys, this is awesome, guys. Yeah, this is
4 minutes left, guys.
Excited. Thank you.
4.
For another donation, which is dope.
Wow.
Yeah, we're putting in. Logan is putting in work. Thank you for that. I appreciate you.
Is he really removing all the negative comments? There's that many?
Spam, not negative comments. It's like literally spam.
Wow.
But Muhammad Adnan says Kazi just dropped a Facebook ad crash course on his personal channel. I just dropped.
Yeah, really?
Shit's fucking.
Is it
banging,
good?
bro. Fucking good, dude.
Really?
I mean, it's the best fucking thing out
Wow. I'm pumped to see it, man.
there. No, it's literally the best. Like, I actually think, and I highly recommend. Let's go, Rafe Kazi. I actually recommend that you watch it. Like, you actually watch it end to end.
Gotcha.
Because you're gonna pick up a lot
All right.
on
Okay.
the ad side.
I'm pumped. How to scale big on ads. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
The thumbnail should be something different, but I just picked that one.
How to scale big, what, when, and how.
Where the fuck is Frankie?
I don't know. Why?
Oh. If you maybe just tell him to put that new thumbnail, you know? Like, they never updated the thumbnail. Yeah.
Guys, again, if you guys have any questions right now, let us know down in the comments below. And we have officially basically 3 minutes back. Guys, 3 minutes to join PWJ. Because in 3 minutes, the price goes up by $100. And trust me, you do not want to pay more than what you have right now. Exactly. So, I don't know what you're thinking, but,
Naveen,
yeah.
Awesome. Naveen is also in the program, and Naveen has a call, onboarding call booked with you, so you
With
will
me?
onboard Naveen.
Let's
Yes.
go, Naveen. I got you.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here. We really, really appreciate you.
Yes, always.
The cart, the door, or not the doors. The doors will close actually in a week, but the price increases in about 2 minutes. So again, Profit with JavaScript. Go check it out. The link is in the description below. You're gonna love it. It's gonna blow your mind. And yeah, if you want to play that video,
That's
go
crazy.
for it.
This is just such a good video, guys.
Developer. Here's a list of facts. 1. I just dropped the best.
Oh, shit.
Should be me reacting to this video.
Why doesn't that work?
Should be me reacting to this video or
Let's
reacting
react.
to Nick White's video of reacting to himself. Nick, what the fuck did you say, man?
Well, let's go make a smaller movie. Why is
You
it
want to
bigger?
go, bro?
Refresh. Come on, we got this. It's such a good video. There we go.
Yeah. Nick, watch it with us.
Hey.
Come on. You got a place in California, bro.
JavaScript course on the planet. That's it.
Wait, who are you?
Let me explain.
Who am I? I'm Rafe Kazi. Done a few things. I was
Hey.
making 6 figures as a freelance developer at 21 years
Man.
old. Hit $1 million in revenue at 25.
This is the
Traveled
first
the world,
video
taught
of
hundreds of
PWJ.
thousands of students to
Like
code.
the first
and
app
my
of
programming
PWJ.
courses are ranking #1 on YouTube.
Yeah.
So what's in this JavaScript course? Listen up.
You're going to be learning the basics of JavaScript. You're going to be learning advanced object-oriented programming, DOM, GitHub, Visual Studio Code, command line, version control, AJAX, JSON, API, ES6. But I know you ain't here for that, buddy. Blackjack, Twitter clone, Google Maps project, $5,700 Upwork project, 15 modules, 30 hours of video content, data science visualizations, modern portfolio, how to get a job at Fang, how to profit with JavaScript, and we're gonna build an Iron Man suit.
Let's go.
Wait, what? Let's talk results. 1, Rob, freelancer, now traveling with his kids. 2, Afreen, saved their company $20,000. 3, Nazar landed a $110,000 contract. Results? Yeah, we got results. We got a 30-day money-back guarantee. You join the course, you don't like it, on the 29th day, 23rd hour, and 59th minute, you can return it, no questions asked.
Alright, so we both know coding is hard. I mean, you can see me staring out the window here, scratching my head. But anyways, if you want to make a profit as a JavaScript developer like so many others have, look, I know how to get there. So please give me the privilege to mentor you.
It's time for you to profit with JavaScript.
Let's go.
Yo. If you thought that was fire, drop fires in the comment section.
Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run
Hey, yo, that shit is lit.
That was
That is fire. That is fire.
That is always so good, man. Holy shit.
Yo.
That video probably will never get old, man. I will say.
That is so sick. Let's go. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for being on here. We really appreciate you. If you missed out, you missed out. You should have jumped on the train. It's on you, buddy.
The train left the building.
That's it. We love you so much. This is Kazi.
And this is Nas
And as always, we'll see you.
in the next video.
Let's
Adios. Hey.
Appreciate you, Sam.
Let's go. Oh shit, we had some stuff on the agenda, but we'll do it next time, guys. Next time.
Holy moly! Look at this fam. Whoa, so much fire. Hey.
Peace, guys. We love you.